Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to buy a domain on Squarespace. So there's a step-by-step guide. Make sure you will have logged in, and we will just tap on it, generate a domain using AI. Just tap, and after you will just describe your business and let AI find you a make sure domain. So we will just type example helping tutorial. So we will wait, and it will be just finding to similar of helping tutorial domain. So as you can see, these are the domains and helpingtutorialhub.com, helpingtutorialhub.spot, and these are many of. So you will be just selected from here. So if I just tab on it, this one helpingtutorialhub.com. So for this, we will just tab on it for this trolley for the checkout and just tap for, and we will wait after loading. So from here, this is the registration term. So ensure domain ownership and lock in the current price for the number of years. So selected by choosing a multiple year term. So for 3 years, it will be just costing $54. And if I just tab on it to 1 year, so it will be just cost estimated total $14 and total discount of $16. So it is very good. So or you can also change the in USDT or euro. So we will just tap on it, save and continue for 1 year. So right now you just have to fill out the all the things which is left: contact information, phone number, address. So after when you just put your contact information, you will be able to see the payment information. So these are all your payments information is securely submitted. So right now you will just have to pay with the PayPal, or you will just have to add your card, Visa card, and put the card number, expiration date, security code, and just tap to save and continue. After you will be able to purchase a domain on Squarespace. So that's it. Thank you.